In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Brave browser on Windows 11 on your laptop or PC. Let's get started. First, open any web browser you already have installed, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. Next, click on the address bar, type brave.com, and press Enter. This will take you to the official Brave browser website. On the homepage, click the Get Brave button. The website will automatically detect that you're using Windows 11 and start downloading the installer. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Brave installer file. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to continue. Brave will now begin installing automatically. You don't need to click anything. Just wait a few seconds for the installation to finish. After the installation is complete, Brave browser will open automatically. You can also launch it later from the Start menu or the desktop shortcut. If you want, you can set Brave as your default browser and import bookmarks from another browser. These steps are optional and can be skipped. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Brave browser on Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.